What's up, guys? It's Tris. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, I'll be sharing scientific evidence on the foods you should avoid to prevent leg aging and maintain your ability to walk. I know you all work hard every day and are tired of it. We sacrifice our energy, time, and sometimes our health for our jobs. However, after retirement, we have the opportunity to enjoy our saved money and ample free time. According to a 2017 survey of 1,000 individuals aged 60 to 79, the most common aspirations were traveling, exercise, sports, shopping, eating out, and playing with grandchildren. But here's the catch: if we don't take care of our health, we won't be able to fully enjoy these activities. Conditions like arthritis, as well as leg and back pain, can make it challenging to travel or walk for extended periods. Even gazing at a beautiful World Heritage Site becomes difficult if knee pain hinders your movement. Chronic illnesses and frequent hospital visits also limit the possibility of long-term travel. Are you bedridden or in need of nursing care due to aged feet? That's a definite roadblock. Aging feet not only make walking and balance challenging, but also increase the risk of falls and fractures. Remember, it's not just about having money, it's about having good health. Individuals don't suddenly become bedridden with age. It's the result of cumulative health events. Moreover, if someone breaks a bone and doesn't exercise during the recovery period, muscle deterioration can lead to reduced mobility or even reliance on a wheelchair. Here's the bottom line to prevent a rapid decline in health. It's crucial to be cautious and avoid bone fractures. The decline in lower body muscles, especially the quadriceps, starts around age 30 and accelerates in our 40s and 50s. Sedentary lifestyles and neglecting proper leg and hip exercises expedite leg aging. While exercise is vital, there are certain devil foods that accelerate leg aging more than a lack of exercise. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to show some love by hitting that like button. Now, let's move on to Chapter 1. In Chapter 1, we'll discuss 4 devil foods that age your legs and hinder walking. Foods high in additives and inorganic phosphorus that cause muscle breakdown and deterioration. Alcohol, which impairs muscle repair and growth, interferes with hormone balance, and reduces sleep quality. Foods containing glucose-fructose syrup, which can wear away joint cartilage. Foods containing artificial sweeteners that increase appetite and contribute to weight gain. Let's delve into the first devil food: additives and inorganic phosphorus. Phosphorus, crucial for maintaining our bodies, can become problematic when consumed excessively. This can lead to kidney damage, arteriosclerosis, heart disease, and other life-threatening conditions. Balancing phosphorus and calcium is crucial for healthy bones, as an imbalance can lead to calcium depletion from bones, causing osteoporosis and increasing the risk of fractures. To prevent leg aging and maintain overall health, it's crucial to be cautious about consuming excessive phosphorus. Inorganic phosphorus is prevalent in food additives, making processed foods the primary culprits. Cutting down on processed meats, seafood, and foods with excessive coloring is essential to avoid the negative effects of inorganic phosphorus. Next up, alcohol. While it may be enjoyable, it interferes with protein integrity, mitochondrial function, and energy production in the body, hindering muscle repair and growth. Alcohol also disrupts hormone balance, reducing testosterone production and increasing cortisol levels, promoting muscle breakdown. Moreover, alcohol negatively impacts sleep quality and increases the risk of various diseases. Now let's talk about glucose-fructose. This devil food wears away joint cartilage, especially in weight-bearing joints like knees and hips. Excessive weight places strain on the joints, and consuming glucose-fructose-rich foods triggers inflammation, accelerating leg and overall body aging. It's essential to avoid sweet foods and drinks, especially those containing glucose-fructose syrup. Even seemingly healthy choices like salads can be detrimental if dressed with glucose-fructose dressings. Lastly, artificial sweeteners. They may seem like a calorie-free alternative, but studies suggest they contribute to weight gain and various health issues. Artificial sweeteners can increase your appetite and desire for sweet foods, which can lead to overeating. They've also been associated with an increased risk of stroke, heart attack, and metabolic syndrome. Choosing foods without artificial sweeteners is crucial to prevent leg aging and maintain a healthy weight. Have you had any experiences with these devil foods? Or do you have any healthy alternatives you'd recommend? I'd love to hear about them. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's dive deeper into the effects of devil food. 1. Foods high in additives and inorganic phosphorus. Phosphorus is an essential mineral required for various bodily functions, including DNA and cell membrane formation. However, excessive phosphorus intake can lead to adverse health effects, including accelerated aging. When we consume too much phosphorus, it can damage our kidneys, blood vessels, and cells. This can result in chronic kidney disease, arteriosclerosis, heart disease, cerebrovascular disease, and other life-shortening conditions. It's important to note that an imbalance of phosphorus in the bloodstream can significantly impact life expectancy. Aging feet, which play a crucial role in our mobility during old age, are particularly susceptible to the negative effects of excessive phosphorus. The body always maintains a certain ratio of phosphorus and calcium. However, when this balance is disrupted, the body starts extracting calcium from bones to compensate, leading to an imbalance and potentially depleting bone density. Osteoporosis and fragile bones increase the risk of fractures, making it harder for individuals to maintain an active and independent lifestyle. To prevent overall body aging and maintain healthy legs, it's essential to be cautious about excessive phosphorus consumption. While organic phosphorus found in ordinary foods like meat is not a concern, over 90% of inorganic phosphorus present in food additives gets absorbed by the body. Processed foods filled with additives are the primary sources of inorganic phosphorus, so it's crucial to avoid them. Reduce processed meats like ham, sausage, and bacon. Limit consumption of processed seafood like fish sausage and fish paste. Be cautious of foods with excessive coloring. Beware of suspiciously inexpensive foods. Following these guidelines helps minimize exposure to food additives, reducing the negative impact on kidney health and overall aging. When choosing food, it's crucial to be aware of these criteria and train ourselves to make informed choices. Additionally, research has shown that phosphorus not only accelerates aging, but also contributes to fatigue. When consumed excessively, phosphorus can lead to tiredness and decreased energy levels, hindering overall well-being. In summary, devil food 1, foods high in additives and inorganic phosphorus, poses a significant risk to leg aging and overall health. It's crucial to be mindful of processed foods and their additives, especially those with excessive phosphorus content. By reducing our intake of these foods, we can protect our kidneys, blood vessels, and cells, ensuring a healthier and more active life. Do you have a superfood that is essential to your wellness? Start the discussion in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I upload a useful video every day to improve your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. As always, take care, and I'm excited to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.